Hey guys, welcome to the video. So here we are starting the HTML tutorial series, and this is the first episode where I'll be giving a small introduction about HTML, and I'll also be giving all the notes that I made of each episode of the series. Now don't worry, the episode won't be for a very long time. Each episode would just be under 15 minutes, so you just need to bring your time and attention to learn it. Now without further ado, let's start the video. So here on my screen you can see the chapter 0, which is introduction with the HTML, and here first you can see that the full form of HTML, which is hypertext markup language, and it is basically just the language of the web which help us to create websites. And tags, these are just a part of HTML. These are piece of code which acts as a label that a web browser interprets and help us to create a website. Without tags, creating website is not possible. Now you have seen that websites are not only just created with HTML, instead CSS and JavaScript are also used. Now HTML is just a layout of the web page, means it is the skeleton of the web page, and CSS is the is just to add styling to the web page. With CSS the website looks beautiful. It is just to give some designs to the web page, and JavaScript is the main thing. Like without JavaScript the website is useless. It is used to program the logic for the page layout. For example, what should happen when a user clicks something on the web page or types something. So to respond to that, JavaScript is necessary. So without HTML, CSS and JavaScript, making website is not possible. You can write the code for HTML on Notepad or on text editors like VS Code. I personally prefer to write in VS Code because it is compiler of the language and also gives some suggestion of the next line of the code. So it makes it super easy to code in VS Code, and also because it is lightweight, open source, and is provided by Microsoft, which is trusted. Now let me show you some features of Visual Studio Code. So he'll just open folder. Select folder. If you don't know how to install VS Code, I've showed that in my very first two videos. So if you want to know how you can install VS Code, you can visit those two videos. Now here in the folder, we just click on this new file icon, and let's give the name for now as introduction, and last you need to give .html. Now one of the feature of using Visual Studio Code is you can create a template. Like if you just give exclamation mark and then press enter, it gives a template of the code. So it is super easy. And if you wanna move a line up or down, you can you have to just go to the line and press on Alt and up button, and that moves the line up or down wherever you want. And you can also it is also has zoom in and zoom out option, which is not in Notepad, and for that you just need to press control and plus button for zoom in, and for zoom out control and minus button. So these are some of the features of the Visual Studio Code, and the next episode will be starting to learn HTML. So that's all for this video. Meet you in the next episode. Bye bye.